goodness, this makes my heart so happy to be here today. She is so pretty. This new entrance fountain is just gorgeous. I love the setting with Spaceship Earth behind it, just a little bit down the trail. You get this view of the Tree of Life.
Can't go wrong with the Chinese theater.
Realized I was hungrier than I thought, so I ordered a kid's meal with a cheeseburger pod. Oh, look at that. Everyone wants a plate of hot flaming cheese. That's the other reason why I really like that macaroon. So, they're all excellent. Hi, Chip and Dale. You guys are my favorite. He's posing. I love it. I love that ride. I think it's fun. It's not so intense as I think people think it is. But one of the things you can do at the register when you buy merchandise is you can pay for the Disney Conservation Fund. The animals will get in the road and the drivers are not allowed to startle. Soaring's cue music is my favorite cue music out of all the cues in Walt Disney World. Ready.